Soumya, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing a very easy way to remove your facial hair, to do your eyebrows and deep cleanse your skin at home. It's like a quick and a mini cleanup that you can do once in a week to pamper your skin. So if you're watching me for the first time, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also watch the video till the end. And yeah, let's get started. So before I start showing you guys how I actually do it, I wanted to talk about the razor that I'm using. I'm using the Tinkle facial razors and these look like this. So you can find this on most of the websites like Flipkart, Amazon, and you'll get it for around 150 rupees for 3, and I'll put the links in the description box if you want to buy them. So most of the people have this question that using razors on face might thicken the hair growth and fasten them, but I want to clear you guys that I have been doing this since 4 months and it's like totally normal, like how I used to get my hair growth when I used to thread my face. So it totally depends on individual hair growth. So it's safe to use these, and these razors have airtight cap, and they come with this very light and this small razors, so it's totally safe to use on the face. So yeah, I'll start. So I'm first gonna start cleaning my eyebrows. So I'm placing the fingers on the eyebrows which I don't want to get rid of, and slowly swipe the razor. I'm not keeping the razor flat to the skin but 75 degrees from the skin. Be very gentle and slow. It might take some time, but it's very easy once you get used to it. So I'm cleaning the sides, and just pull the skin opposite to the direction you're swiping your razor so that it gets little easier when the skin is tight. So once it's cleaned, I'll just cut the longer hair with a scissor. So you can see the eyebrows are cleaned very easily. It takes just a few seconds. So now I'll move on to the forehead. I'm doing it in the same way. I'm just going downwards, swiping very gently. So when it comes to upper lip, I'll just tighten it with my tongue and go upward. With the hair, it also cleans the dead skin. So just do it the same way. Keep swiping it in slow motion, and yeah. So to give like a quick cleanup, I'm using the Himalaya Neem face pack. Guys, get this face pack. It's just for 120 rupees and it has neem and turmeric, so it instantly removes that dullness, deep cleanses your face. Just put on this face mask for 10 minutes and you can see the instant result. I'll just put it on my nose because my nose area has a lot of whiteheads and blackheads. I think this is the best face pack from Himalaya and so affordable. So this is how my nose looks after the wash. It's deeply cleansed, the pores are completely clean, and it's looking very bright. You can see the results when you use it. And yeah, if you like this video, make sure you share with lots and lots of people, and also like the video, comment down and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video.